Bernard R Marak, MDC ke BJP na South Tura constituency, loang bagi pajba no sungsong hakatai constituency ki Pynkhreh si ke BJP. Balada ka parti ka etiket ïakhun na election cina Pynkhreh si ke yang dabar thoan ke jala Pynkhreh house number 1. Balada ka parti ka etiket ïakhun na election cina Pynkhreh si ke yang dabar thoan ke jala Pynkhreh house number 1. Kani constituency ka dairu ke Pynkhreh du Conrad Sangma kumu emeli berdairu menteri rangba pemerintah ke jala Pynkhreh. Uniu MDC loang ban lor garoi ka par kidon sa kiwi pat kimat yakran khamtam kamat ban pyrshah ek bamsap loang bagi pajba kidon ka jing suskem alor kimat yakran ki bakta eki bat kermen bag BJP kan wanra ek jingkala bat kan penmet berhenti ek jing trikam hake emlang salang.
Contesting is up to the party leaders, like who gets a ticket is up to the party leaders, and we are still waiting who'll get a ticket. But in case if I am selected to contest from my present constituency, that is South Tura, which is presently being held by our Chief Minister. People have already voted for me in the district council election, and my district council election, like the constituency, is bigger than the MLA constituency. So I cover 4 MLAs areas, and out of all the 4 constituencies, 1 MDC is elected, and people have voted in spite of so much of propaganda against BJP, so much of propaganda against the tribal community. BJP has been chosen by the people of my constituency, and the support is growing every day, because today we stand against corruption, and the principle of and the ideology of BJP is to end corruption, zero tolerance against corruption, and we have been sticking to it, and we are getting more support. More workers are joining us every day. It's just that we don't show it in media. So many people are giving their own ideas, their own issues to us, and we are tackling it right up to the grassroots level. So yes, people need development, but they also need someone to listen to them. They have more issues than development issues. Development will keep on coming. It's just because of corruption only that development is not taking place. But as far as we are concerned, we want to eradicate corruption, so that development is there, as well as the voice of the people, even to the last person in the society, is heard, and they are benefited from all the facilities that is being provided by the central government, up to their families, up to their homes. So we would not stop until each and every family in our constituency, not only in my constituency, but in entire state, that they get the benefit out of which they will have confidence in us. The confidence has been boosted up by my own supporters. Whatever support I have, today I have folded that figures. Okay, the figures have gone out now, and more people are coming to support BJP. More people are coming to support me, because I am always raising issues which is concerning the public, people, and irrespective of party differences or party affiliation, I always listen to all the issues brought to us, and people are confident that BJP will do changes. BJP will remedify all the symptoms that we are facing in the society.